Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Uk49 lunchtime and tea time 18 March 2023 lunchtime result and tea time result. 12 and 19 in lunchtime, two numbers, 19 again, 21 again, 34 again, three numbers in tea time. We have 04 but it's come 40. 19, 34, 21 three number in tea time, 12 and 19 two number in lunchtime. From WhatsApp prediction today we have 12, 13 in lunchtime, congratulations. 12, 19 in lunchtime, congratulations. 13 and 19 in lunchtime, congratulations. 3 winning with 2 straight numbers. I gave this prediction more than 80 peoples and now waiting for my fees. Our next try 19 March 2023 lunchtime and tea time also 07, 08, 36, 25, 06, 34, 25 and 40. Here one more number is 30. 9 number is my favorite numbers. These 9 numbers 7, 8, 36, 25, 13, 06, 34, 25 and 40. Thank you for watching. Take care.